Steve Dugan with Dryer Vent Rescue. We clean air ducts, clean dryer vents, replace dryer vents, install dryer vents, and repair dryer vents. Right now, for the month of May, we're offering a $10 off for online booking at www.dryerventrescue.net. If you'd like to contact me directly, you can call me at 314-280-2553. So with that $10 off, if you're a first responder, veteran, or senior, you also can use your 10% off in combination. Again, our online booking special is $10 off combined with 10% senior, veteran, and first responder discount. If you have any other questions, just call me at 314-280-2553. Stay lint free. Thank you.